Hey guys, it's me again. So this is the 2007 to 2011 or 13 5.3. If you ever run into a problem, engine is misfiring, cylinder 1 or cylinder 7 or 4 or 6. So this is what you do. So that's what makes all the problems. These little suckers collapse, valves don't open, and it starts misfiring. Sometimes they knock like crazy, but that's where they are. Cylinder 1, 7, 4, and 6. And if you do replace them, all of this has to come off, heads have to come off, both of them. And if you take these out, don't replace them with these. These are not good. There's other solution for that. That cover right there, that's for the, I don't know how you call that, force cylinder activation. Just take that one off, replace it with a different one. One of these. Let me show you. With one of these. This one will fit exactly. The 4.8, the 2007 to 2011 have these. Take those off and also put the original valve lifters in there. Just the original, tiny valve lifters. And also if your truck shows this, like this one obviously does, like this one is misfiring. It even smokes white. Look at that. Almost sound like this one is has high performance camshaft, but there's not. Engine is not knocking, nothing. It's quiet. But cylinder number 1, those and the lifters doesn't do nothing. The valve keeps they're closed. And all those Christmas lights comes on. And let me show you codes. Come on. Yeah, cylinder number 1. Again, cylinder number 1 misfiring detected. That one again. But also, this one, the oil pressure, it drops all the way. And if you have problem with that, check your valve lifters. And I'm pretty sure it's just the oil pressure sensor. Just replace that. If I have a code, what was it? I don't even know what the code was. But if there's a code for the oil pressure sensor, replace that one, and just put original valve lifters in there and different valve cover and the cover on top of it, and tune it. Everything should be very normal, because right now these engines are very shitty. But if it's stock like a 5.3, like a 2006 or 2004, those are awesome motors. But these, especially with those aluminum blocks, I don't get it why they would put that one on, but they do. So, but that's what you do if you wanna. Oh, you can also just replace these, put new ones in, check your cam truck. Everything should be good to go. Thanks for watching.